Today I'm going to demonstrate MultiPick's Abona and Month rakes, and I'm going to be using master locks exclusively on this. The Abona, which is this one here, has two peaks, two different heights, as you can see. And the Month has four peaks, different heights, which is of course different from the Worm. The Month has sharper peaks, the Worm is more rounded. So let's get started here. We'll begin with a master lock number 3. And we'll use the Abona. Easy work of that. And next we'll try this 5-5-2. Get the in there, and this is a 5-pin lock. And it's dead shackle. Oops, not. Does have a spring. And now we'll use the Month. And we'll use this disc lock, make sure it's locked. This is a 4-peak. That was quick. Here is the master number 1. Here's the number 3. Another quick one. And finally, we have a master M530. And there we have it. That's the MultiPick, Abona, and Month. Thanks for watching, even though it was crooked.